Are you tired of constantly dealing with tired and strained eyes? Then this 5-minute eye massage trick is for you. My name is Natalia, I'm a senior instructor of White Tiger Qigong, and in today's video we're going to go through a simple Qigong eye massage routine that can transform your vision in just a minute. Ready? Let's begin. We're going to begin by warming up our palms, our fingers, making sure you really warm up your index fingers. And we're going to place our index fingers to the upper eyelid, top central point, and begin massaging it in circles 8 times. Once you finish your 8 circles, switch to the other side. Then move your fingers down, still staying on the upper eyelid, just the down central point, 8 times. And switch to the opposite direction. Now we're going to move our index fingers to the outside of the upper eyelid at the top. And again, 8 times. Switch to the opposite direction. And move them down the lower part of the outside upper eyelid. And to the opposite direction. Now we're going to move our index fingers to the inner side of the top eyelid on the top corner. And 8 circles to the opposite direction. Moving down 8 times. And switching to the opposite direction. And now the very outside corners, 8 times. And 8 times to the opposite direction. Now move your fingers to the lower eyelid, central points, and again massaging 8 times. To the opposite direction. Make sure you're keeping light pressure. Now the outside of the lower eyelid. Opposite direction. Lower inner part of the lower eyelid. And opposite direction. And the very inner part of the eyelids. Opposite side. Gently open your eyes, warm up your hands. Making sure you're really warming up your palms, and bring your palms over the eyes. Feeling the warmth, breathing in this warmth through your palms. Feel your eyelids relaxing. Breathing deeply, softly. And you're going to keep your palms over the eyes. And at the same time, you're going to move your eyes up, like you're looking up as far as you can. And then looking down. So I'm going to remove one of my palms, just looking down as far as you can. Back to center, we're going to look to our right side as far as you can. And then to the left side. Then looking at the top right corner. And lower left corner. Top left corner. Lower right corner. Back to center. Let's do one more round, looking up with your eyes. And looking down. Looking to your right side. And to the left side. Look into your top right corner. And then lower left corner. Look into the top left corner. And lower right corner. Bring the eyes all the way in. And pushing them out. Like you're trying to bring them as close as you can to your palms. And relax. Breathing deeply, softly. Imagine the violet light coming from the universe into your crown point and flowing down, relaxing your eyes. Feeling your eyes with this violet light, completely melting and relaxing your eyes. Bring your palms down. And gently open your eyes. So that was a quick trick on how to transform your vision in just minutes, and you can spend longer time for the massage of the eyes or the part when we're looking to different directions, and do as many repetitions as you need until you feel that your eyes are massaged enough and you feel that brightness and lightness in the eyes. So thank you very much for being with me today. I'm looking forward to seeing you for the future videos. Make sure like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.